Our next strategy we'll be practicing is our partial products multiplication strategy for 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication equations. Our practice problem today is going to be 92 times 56. Again, our partial product strategy is all about breaking down our numbers to find parts of our answer and then adding them all together. What makes it different than the area model is that I am not using a picture or a model to help. To solve using partial products, I'm going to rewrite my problem vertically. 92 times 56. Now the partial product strategy focuses on using only 2 digits at a time. Again, we are going to break down our numbers and use distributive property to solve. We are going to begin with our ones place in our bottom number. The first thing we're going to be doing is multiplying our ones place in our bottom number by our ones place in our top number. This gives us 6 times 2. Again, to do that, we were multiplying our ones times our ones. 6 times 2 is equal to 12. That is one part of our product or our answer. Next, we are going to multiply our ones digit here with the tens digit in our top number. So we have to remember that this 9 is not just 9. It's in the tens place, so its value is 90. So we will be multiplying 6 times 90, focusing on our basic fact. 6 times 9 is 54, plus that 0 gives us 540. Next, we will be focusing on the tens place. It's really important to remember that we're never going to multiply 2 digits that are next to each other, because that's not sharing within the distributive property. So now that we've shared our ones digits with both of the digits on top, we need to share our tens place with both of those top digits also. So this time, we start with the tens place and share it with the ones. Now this 5 is in the tens place, so it's worth 50 times this 2 in the ones place. Our basic fact, 5 times 2 is 10, plus that 0. That gives us 100. And the last thing we need to do to get our last part of our product is to share this one in the tens place with our top number in the tens place. In this case, that would be multiplying these 2 digits. 50, which is the value of the 5 in this tens place, and 90. Again, focusing on that basic fact. 5 times 9 is 45, plus 2 more zeros. That gives us 4,500. It's important here to make sure that you have 4 parts and you've shared each digit with both digits of the other number. In this example, we shared the ones place of the bottom number with the ones place of the top number. In our second equation in orange, we've shared our ones place of our bottom number multiplied by our tens place in the top number. With our purple equation, we've moved on to the tens place of our bottom number times our ones place in the top number. And for our last equation in red, we've shared or multiplied the tens place of both numbers. Okay? So now, just like area model, our last step is the same. We need to add all 4 parts of our product to find our final product. Again, I'm going to start with the largest number because it helps me line up my place value. Next would be 540, then 100, then 12. When I add all these together, I have to start with my ones place. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 equals 2. 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 5 plus 1 equals 11. Make sure we kick that 10 over here. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. So our final product for 92 times 56 is 5,152 using our partial products strategy.